Hey guys, I've got another interesting PlayStation 5 video for you. So within this last week, we've seen a ton of unboxings all over YouTube from media sites and tech sites. And what we've seen so far is that most of these people were sent the disc version, and there was only one guy that was sent the digital version. I made a full video about that and then linked you his video so you could watch it. And of course, they're all showing the white version of the console where both faceplates on either side are white. And that's all we've been shown so far. And there have definitely been a lot of comments where people were hoping for a black version of this console, and it looks like there is a video that is showing a black version, and I'll explain what this thing is. So this guy here, he has a huge YouTube channel. His name is Dave Lee and his channel is Dave2D, and basically he makes videos about tech. Recently he posted a review video about the new PS5 controller, and this video is so good. He explains how awesome this controller is, and I would highly recommend you guys watching this. Most of this video is entirely about the controller, and the whole time he's sitting there next to what appears to be the only black version of a PlayStation 5 in the world. And in a very short part of the video, he briefly talks about the console, spins it around, and shows all angles. I was like, whoa, what's going on here? And he didn't give a whole lot of information in the video, but what he did give, I was able to really dig and find out what exactly this thing is. And I will explain all of that to you guys, but first I want to show you guys some side-by-side comparisons of this console that appears to be in black to the original console that is in white. So here's the side-by-side, and obviously it is the standard edition with the disc. The one on the right is the one we've been seeing, and you can see how it compares to the one on the left. Now I thought if it were all black it would look smaller, but actually it looks larger. And in the video he explains that this is a matte black, so we're not seeing any kind of shininess or textures or anything on it. It's just a matte black finish. Then he shows the top-down view, and you can see that the inner faceplates are still white, and I'll explain why that is. He was saying in the video that he would prefer for it to be all monochromatic, so the outer and inner faceplates to be all black. And right here he shows the right side. There is a cutout for the logo on the back there. So as he's showing this, he's explaining that this is a pre-production piece and that the original console was white, and the black is actually a skin that has been applied. So I was like, wait a minute, now we've heard rumors that this console can be customized in ways that we've never seen before, and that information was actually leaked by one of the devs at PlayStation. Matt McLaurin, he is the VP of user design at PlayStation. On his LinkedIn, he was answering questions from consumers, and he said a whole lot about what we could expect with his PlayStation 5. He accidentally gave information about customization, and all of these comments have been deleted by him, and they were captured, so here's what he said. Up at the top left, they asked, does it come in black? Looks great, but my OCD of all my other media units being black is triggered. He said, while this is the flagship reference, you can count on even more beautiful and hopefully radical special editions. Someone else asked, can we look forward to a matte black finish? And he said, you will definitely be seeing special editions. This is also customizable in ways previous gens weren't. On the right there, he goes on to say that customization with special editions will be beyond anything seen before. Someone mocked up a wooden one on Reddit and it looked crazy good, so maybe that was a hint. Then one guy asked, does it come in black like its previous models? And he said maybe. So after seeing all of that and then seeing this video, I was thinking maybe we're getting a look at what they're going to be doing for customizations. Will they just be giving us skins that will stick to the side of the faceplates, or will we actually be able to change out the faceplates like we saw in the teardown video recently? Well, it looks like this black skin is actually third party, and this is not something that is official from PlayStation or Sony. He says in his video that it is a pre-production skin, but he doesn't say from who, and I was able to look around online to find out where this actually came from. This is actually from a very popular company called dbrand, and they do all kinds of custom skins for all kinds of tech. And they also do special editions for some of the popular YouTubers, like PewDiePie here's got his own skin for a phone. That looks really awesome. And if you go up to the top menu and go to skins, you can actually see the PlayStation option, and they are doing skins for PlayStation 5 digital and disc versions. When I clicked on it, I was like, yep, this is what's going on. This guy got a pre-production skin for the PlayStation 5. They gave it to him. I don't know if he put it on himself or what, but when you click on it, you can see that they only offer one color, and that's the matte black, and that definitely matches what's in his video. They're offering vinyl stickers to cover the entire thing, the inside outside of of the faceplates, the center part, and even the controller. It does state that this thing is in pre-order. I don't know when this can ship, but they also stated that they're only doing matte black and they're not doing any other color options at this time. In the description, they boast about how good their skins are and how well they fit, and I would have to say, yeah, this looks really good. With those curves and everything, it is really smooth. Now, I'm not getting paid to say that, I just think it looks awesome. I'm gonna try to contact this company and see if they'll send me a set of pre-production skins for the PlayStation 5. If they do, I'll do a full video showing me trying to put it on and seeing how well it fits. With the curves that the disk drive version has on the right side, that's the version I have, I'm a little worried about trying to make it fit, but they do have a nice video showing how to put the stickers on, and it might make it a little easier. Also, I would be worried about making this console solid black with their adhesives because the inside faceplates of the PlayStation 5 is heavily textured. To me, looking at this right here, you can see all of the little symbols. It doesn't seem like a vinyl adhesive skin would stick very well. And after seeing all this information and the leaks from that dev, and then seeing the inside of the faceplate right here, it seems like the way they're going to allow us to customize the PlayStations is going to be to actually remove the faceplates and put brand new decorative ones on. But that is probably going to be a long time away because they can't even catch up on pre-orders right now, and that is definitely a situation. But I will be really excited to see what is coming in the future with these special editions. Also, Dave 2D that showed the black skinned console said he's going to do a full PS5 console breakdown, and I don't know when he's going to post that video, but he will probably go into detail about how he put the skin on, if he did it or if someone else did it. So I would recommend watching his video on this and listening to what he has to say, and also watch the part about the controller review. He gives such good information and makes me really excited to play with it. But I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.